Hi, I appreciate you taking the time to be here with us today. I've been assigned the task to talk about teamwork and why it's so important. So as we look at these slides, if you'll follow along with me, we're going to talk about teamwork and why it matters today. And there's basically 5 things I want to go over today. The first one is teamwork motivates unity in the workplace. Second thing is teamwork provides learning opportunities. The third thing is teamwork can improve efficiency and productivity. 4, teamwork offers differing opinions and opens up options. Then the last one is teamwork creates shared goals. And for me, obviously I've been in my career for 17 years now, and teamwork to me, if you don't have teamwork, everything just kind of goes away. Your productivity, your efficiency, everything that you try to do in an office, if you don't have teamwork and you don't have people working together, then you're going to struggle. And that's why it's so important. No matter what kind of office setting you're in, no matter if you're outside, inside, whatever it is, you have to have teamwork. You have to have cooperation. So let's look at this for just a second. First thing is teamwork motivates unity in the workplace. It creates an environment of friendship and loyalty. As teamwork happens, it generates this positivity, this excitement, and it can create an environment where there's loyalty to each other. If somebody asks you to do something, you're going to do it. And it encourages and motivates employees to actually work together and to help each other out. And when you do this, your productivity actually goes up as well. It also promotes using each team member's talents. I think, the old phrase, the whole is bigger, the whole is better than the pieces. And I think if we can bring together everybody's talents, work on the strengths of each person's, each team member's strengths, then we can really go places. And then as we have this teamwork and this friendship and this loyalty, then we all have the same common goal. We all want to be successful, and if we help each other, we're all going to be successful. The next one is teamwork provides learning opportunities. I know one of the best things in my life is actually learning from other people. Instead of me trying to fumble through things and try to figure out how to do something that I don't know, if I lean on other people, we can actually learn new things. We can actually learn new ideas, and there's procedures that we can do and we can change and tweak as we work together. And I think that's exciting. And obviously in most offices, especially in the office that we're in, there's a lot of experience. And we need to draw on those experiences. We need to learn from people who have been there, done that. And I think it creates awesome opportunities for us to learn. The next one is teamwork can provide efficiency and productivity. The old adage, many hands make the work light, I think that's very important. Sometimes one person's going to be very busy, and then other times another person's going to be very busy. And if we can kind of take that workload and help each other lessen the workload, we can all get something done, and we can get more done together, depending on where we're at. So I think as we work together and the teamwork goes up, and then our productivity is going to go up as well. And then teamwork creates shared goals. I missed one. Teamwork offers differing opinions and opens up options. I think one of the best things that we can do is, as we have differing opinions, we can actually work things out, and we can see other people's side and point of view. Sometimes we have our blinders on, and if we don't see other people's ideas and we don't see differing opinions, we can't see the full picture. So I think that's the biggest thing with teamwork is we don't always have to see eye to eye. It doesn't have to be we agree on everything. Sometimes we need to disagree on some things to get to a different purpose. And I think we can see the whole picture if we do have some differing opinions. and then we can come together and decide which idea is the best. And maybe it's a combination of both. Maybe it's two people come together and saying, let's, instead of going this way, let's go together and merge our ideas. And I think that is an amazing thing that happens in an office with teamwork and loyalty. And then the last thing, we've talked about a little bit, it creates shared goals. Teamwork to me is working together individually to create a shared goal together. And all of our goals individually can honestly create more shared goals together. I know the people in my office, I would love for them to succeed, and I want them to succeed. And if there's anything I can do individually to help them succeed, I will do it in a heartbeat. And I know they've got my back too. And that is an awesome feeling, knowing if I step out of the office and I drop the ball on something, I know somebody in my office is going to pick that up and run with it for me. And in turn, I'm going to do the same thing for them. I think as we go through teamwork and we learn teamwork, we're always going to be at different levels. We're going to have great teamwork. Something's going to force it to come down. But if we all have the same common goal of being successful and helping each other be successful, I think that's the most important thing. Thanks for your time. I hope you learned something. I appreciate your time.